limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have an ultra rare cap. Maybe controversial to some people, but let's take a look at what we have in today. And this is sponsored by Famous Thinking. Shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com, and shop.famousthinking.com to purchase caps like these and other ultra rare caps, foreign exclusives, etc., etc. Free shipping within the United States. It's in the description. Take a look. So here we go. Atlanta Braves Chief Homa hat. So this cap has been banned from Major League Baseball. The logo has been banned by Major League Baseball. I think around 2013 they thought about bringing this cap back. The logo and a spring training attire that was reconsidered relatively quickly, and really they haven't worn this logo since then. I believe they stopped production around 2016. New Era and other outlets, so this logo isn't even reproduced. So Chief Homa used to be a mascot for the Atlanta Braves for a long time. That is what you see here. It is one of the more iconic logos in Major League Baseball. It is a controversial logo in Major League Baseball because of the Native American and the tribe and all that type of relation. We're not going to get into the political aspect or anything like that. But nevertheless, just like with the Cleveland Indian logo, Chief Wahoo, these are iconic logos and nothing will take that away, period. So let's get an up-close look at the details. This is a very detailed logo, no doubt about it. And it has Chief Homa right there. Let's take a look at other aspects of the cap. Side shot, you have a navy New Era, blends right in with the dome of the cap. Back of the cap, you see the batsman logo. I believe this is a Cooperstown. We'll find out in a moment. Got a side shot here, no side patch or anything like that in this one. Classic green UV on this one. So take a look at the guts now. This is a Cooperstown, as I predicted. New Era, fly your own flag. 7 5/8. And we got a 5950 inside. That is a wool cap, by the way. That was kind of hidden in the inside of the tagging. It's a little bit folded up. So what do you think of this cap? Do you like it or love it, dislike it or hate it? So it's a little bit controversial. It's just, with the Native American, the sports teams and all that, that's really been opened up for discussion within the past 10, 20 years. No, within the last 10 years, I would say. It's really starting with the Cleveland Indians and the Washington Redskins and the Homa. So, really, that's based, it's a person on, it's really up to the individual on how they feel on it. Overall, though, this is a beautiful cap, iconic logo. This is in the category of ultra rare, as it's not produced anymore, and there's not many on the market, I could say that. So if you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to purchase caps like this and more, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com for the rarest New Era hats in the world. Free shipping within the United States and shipping worldwide. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.